Oh, hi. So, so right now I am going to the point. Uh, I really don't have a plan. Let's see. So I got the monorail and I got off from this mall, and I really don't know how to go. All right, so I got off from the wrong place and I had to get a taxi from there to here, and also it's free today. The monorail is free. You don't have to buy a ticket to come in here. I just get off from the trams. So where should I go now? Should I go to the Dubai Mall or go home? Let's see. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go to Dubai Mall, but if I go there, I don't have a. So if I go to Dubai Mall, I think right now it's 7:52. Last metro is at 11, I think. And if I go to Dubai Mall, I'm gonna miss it. What should I do? Should I take the risk or go home? Let's take the risk. Now I'm gonna take the metro. Alright, so right now I'm gonna take the metro and I'm gonna take the metro and I'm gonna go to Dubai Mall. Let's see what's going on. Alright, so I just got out from the Dubai Mall. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I don't have a plan. And there's a bookstore in Dubai Mall, and I wanna go there. That's all for now. This is the shop that I wanna go. There's these puzzles. So if you are getting into investments, if you are getting into stocks or thinking about investing in stocks, this is a must. And also Ali Abdal talked about this one. It's a good one if you have it. So if you are in your 20s, you must read this. I'll show you more. And also this one. I read this one when I was in Sri Lanka. It was fine. And this one. This is a must. You must read this when if you are in your 20s. Before you go to work, if you start working 9 to 5, you have to put this one, change your mind. So when I was in Sri Lanka, I started reading and I read about 2 to 3 books and I stopped. And recently I started again. So recently I just started read again. This is the one I want to read. Let's try this out. And I also want to read this one before this month get end. And I also want to read this one, Psychology of Money. Genius is the man who can do the very things when everyone else around him is losing his mind. The world is full of obvious things which nobody by any chance ever observed. So I just spent like 2 hours in there and it's getting late. So now I'm going home. See you guys in next video. Bye.